The best way to cook a healthy fish is by making it in the oven. Welcome back to my channel. Let me show you how I make this my healthy and delicious oven roasted fish. After washing the fish, I go ahead and put some lines on the fish. The reason why I'm putting the lines on the fish so that it will be well marinated. I use dried ingredients for this recipe, which I will be showing you shortly. We have cayenne pepper, white pepper, black pepper, garlic powder, paprika, salt, and bouillon seasoning. Mix everything together. After mixing, set it aside. For the vegetables, I'm using green bell pepper, onion, tomatoes, celery leaves, olive oil. Add a little bit of olive oil to the spices and mix them together. After mixing them together, set it aside. Then I came over to my vegetables and started cutting them in pieces. I'm using half an onion, so I'll go ahead and cut my onion. My orange bell pepper, I'm also using half of it. Like I always say, cut it to the size and shape that you like. Now it is time to marinate our fish. Rub the mixed ingredients all over the fish. Make sure it goes everywhere. Add some inside the fish and rub it very well. That is thyme. I put some fresh thyme inside and rosemary for extra flavor. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment on this video. Also share it to your loved ones. Watch to the end of this video. Thank you all for watching. When the fish was cooking in the oven, I went ahead and peeled my plantain because I enjoy this delicious fish with fried plantain. So I peeled my plantain, sliced it and fried it.